parking ramp. Buffalo, New York.
Where they have an elevator.
Oh, it's a Dover. Look at these Impulse.
Oh, we have the same models up there.
Which one will we get? This one.
Your questions are the Dover Chisholm.
Let's find out.
Brown?
Thyssen.
Yep.
Plus, now we're just going down one floor. Someone press 8.
Okay, that's your job.
Omega rails. Slow.
It's actually got a good view of the city out there too.
Send down the unknown ground. They run good.
Yeah, they do.
Alright, we'll go to 1 and end. Look at the key switches.
Oh, kind of coming out there. 1C.
These are slow.
Yeah, they're neat though.
Alright,
Send this one up to 8. Did you go?
and there is the Dover.
I'll watch it go up.
That'll be it.
Unless I'm gonna have.
There it goes.
Omega rails, pretty cool.
Yeah, it is neat.
A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.